And this story is that this man and me, we know each other since many, many years. And we work together at the European level. And so he came to me 1.5 years ago, and he said, well, technology is nice, but technology, we need to do something for society. So can't we work together in order technology really to be a benefit for citizens? And that is how the conference was born, because we thought it would be very important to have technology work so that young people and old people can live together better, most of all in a society where there will be more and more old people and less young people due to the age. This friend, this colleague, who, and you should be very proud, is a great statesman. Maybe you don't know that here in this country, because you see him always, well, I know how it happens. I'm also not a great statesman in Luxembourg, because everybody sees me every day, and so you consider it in a different way. Alois Peterle is one of the most respected European politicians, the most respected by the great thinkers who make Europe to be developed, who make Europe to go ahead, who make Europe to become a reality. And in all international arenas where advice on policy making is necessary, well, Alois is there. And so you should know, when he is not here, then he is working for Slovenia and for Europe, outside in Europe, and he's highly respected. A meeting at top level without Alois is considered a non-runner, because he is needed. He has put into this discussion, and I have experienced that myself, he has put into this discussion all the know-how of a country which came out of non-freedom to freedom, which came out of dirigism to a free economic world. He has done it here, and he has always informed us when we didn't know in Central Europe, in the old Europe, why the countries which were coming to Europe behaved in a certain way, thought in a certain way. It was always Alois who said, wait a moment, I have to tell you something about history and about evolution. So we are very grateful. He is, beyond being a friend, a very good teacher also, a professor, to push us to go to the right direction. And the right direction is bringing this continent together.